Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 16th to the 20th of May 2016, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets. We'll be discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering commodity insights, so a snapshot of the latest developments in the markets. We'll do a review of our top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies, and of course we'll be covering a market spotlight, so our featured commodity this week as well. So let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is the #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. The Gold and Silver Club is recognized as the go-to authority on commodities trading, and as internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they're routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So for more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, feel free to visit our website, which is at www.thegoldensilverclub.com. Now moving on to commodity insights, so a snapshot of the latest developments in the markets. For those of you who watched our Friday weekly wrap-up, you will recall that we provided you with an update on a very special report that we gave to all of our traders at the Gold and Silver Club regarding India's oil demand. So this was 6 months ago that we provided this to the Gold and Silver Club. We briefed our private members to remain long from $27 per barrel, and we predicted oil prices would rally up to $50 per barrel. Okay, so on this exclusive research which we shared with all of our traders, we looked at this price target for the first half of 2016 due to growing demand from India, and this is played out exactly as we predicted. Our long-term oil buy position is now up over 2,000 points since January 2016. And not just that, Goldman Sachs this week, they raised their price forecast as oil market flipped into a deficit. So following on from the research piece which we shared with everybody on Friday, and we talked about our prediction for oil coming up to $50 per barrel, we've now seen Goldman Sachs call an end to cheap oil, and the investment bank has told all of its clients the physical rebalancing of the oil market has finally started. So a week after we've shared that information with you, supply disruptions as well as a stronger demand from India and other emerging markets has been cited now as the main drivers. And you can see here, after Goldman Sachs said the market has flipped into deficit, over the course of this week, we've jumped up to just shy of $50 per barrel. We've seen oil prices jump to their highest level in more than 6 months as Goldman Sachs forecast US oil futures average $50 a barrel in the second half of 2016 and reach $60 a barrel by the end of 2017. And this is really the power of research-driven trading. So having this sort of data and information at your fingertips, especially the research reports that we provided to all of our traders at the Gold and Silver Club 6 months ago, where we were looking at the prices of oil to reach $50 a barrel over the first 6 months of 2016. Having that sort of information available allows you to stay in a trade for a much longer period of time, allows you to take advantage of swing trades and also longer term positions, scaling into these trades and producing huge profits when you trade the commodity markets. And of course there is an opportunity for you to get exactly the same sort of profits as all of our traders at the Gold and Silver Club who take the exact same trades as us. In fact, let me talk you through the top trades of the week using the Gold and Silver Club exclusive research driven strategies. So we've now come out of our much longer term position here on oil. We've come up to that very critical resistance, which is sitting just under $50 per barrel. Key psychological area of resistance and also a very key technical area of resistance. We've now banked this trade for 2,130 points of profit, and this has been a beautiful long-term trade. Not only that, we've also managed to take advantage of, again, another short-term opportunity here for a swing trade on Brent crude oil, which we've now exited out of for 460 points points profit, just re-entering into that for an additional position towards the end of last week. So now we've had another opportunity to add to crude oil and to take advantage of an additional breakout trade to the upside. So overall, crude oil has been very good to us at the Gold and Silver Club. We've had some very profitable moves over the course of 2016 so far. And of course, there's an opportunity for you to gain similar profits on your trading accounts. So what I'll do, I'll move over to the technicals and I'll cover our featured commodity this week. And I'll also discuss with you how you can actually gain access to exactly the same trades that we take at the Gold and Silver Club. So if we move over and we have a look at oil, light sweet crude oil at the moment is currently trading at $48.91 per barrel. If you have a look at the overall price structure right now, what you will note, which is very interesting, is that we are in a very similar price structure to what we formed in 2015, where we continue to rally. You can see here we continue to rally all the way up to mid-May before the start of a much longer term correction yet again. And you can see here we've actually got the start of potentially another bear flag formation. You can see this in the chart very clearly, where we've had a runaway move over 2016 so far. We've come back up to a key level of resistance, a psychological zone as well, just shy of $50 per barrel, and this could be a turning point in the market. And I definitely want to put that on your radar right now, that where oil is sat at the moment, it is overextended on longer term time frames, and also it's overbought on shorter term time frames, especially as we're coming up to that critical zone of resistance at $50 per barrel. And I definitely want to make sure that you're aware of the previous price structure that we had going back to January, February and March 2015, where we bottomed out, essentially a very similar move to what we've seen in 2016, where we bottomed out right at the end of January. We continued to rally up to mid-May, which is where we are at the moment. We came up towards the upper end of the trend channel, and then we started to roll over, and then ultimately we broke back through this swing low point, broke back through the lower end of the trend channel, and we continue to break down. And this is what I definitely want to just make you aware of at the moment. If we start to get a deeper correction in the market here for oil, if we start to roll over, you want to keep a very close eye on this price structure, especially if we were to take out the lower end of this trend channel, start to take out the swing lows in the chart, we could start to get a much deeper correction in the market. So that is something I absolutely want you to focus on and be very aware of in the oil market now that we've come up just shy of $50 per barrel. And there will be some very lucrative trading opportunities off the back of this. If you would like access to our exclusive live trading ideas ready to implement for instant results, whether you're a new trader, you're looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets and fast track your results, or if you're an experienced trader and you're looking to develop your trading to the next level, then the private members live trading room, it's definitely for you. Now, private members, they get access to the following. You get exclusive weekly live trading room webinars. You have live trade recommendations ready to implement. Real-time trade notifications so you never miss a profitable trade. You get exact details of where to enter, exit and place your stop loss on every single trade. Live trade setups to help you successfully through each trade. Customized technical charts and indicators to boost your win rate on every trade, as well as exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to give you the ultimate edge in the markets, plus of course much more. So to get exclusive access now, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com. Complete the application form and we'll get in touch with you ASAP. So that's www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com. You can also call us if you have any questions at either our UK office, our US office, our Africa office or our Asia office. Our UK office number is 0207 193 0403. Our US office number is +1 646 808 0403, and our Africa office is +27 11 083 8403, and our Asia office is +852 8191 0403. So with that, I wish you all a fantastic week. Good trading. We look forward to hear from you and definitely look forward to working with those of you who will be joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.